Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make money through your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on one of my test sites that I have created. This is not a paid site, it is not live, but it will serve as a brilliant base for what I'm going to be explaining to you. Now, there is a couple of different things which you can do. The first is to actually monetize your site through actually selling products or content on it, and the second one is running ads on your site, which you are freely available to do, which I would recommend you use Google AdSense for that, but I'll get to that later. Now, to monetize your site, you can go ahead and sell products and services. As you can see, there is a products and services tab where you can go into products and add physical or digital products, which people will be able to, well, buy from you, purchase from you, and then either get delivered to them or use either online, or depending on what it is, use it as it is specified. As you can see, you have physical products, you have services and downloads, and you can add whichever you would like and put them behind a paywall so that people need to pay to access them. That is the easiest way to monetize your site. However, that pretty much limits your site to being an online store, depending on the content. Of course, if it offers physical products, it can be a merch section or something like that on your site. If the site is sort of a portfolio of your work, you can also set downloads and services depending on what you're doing or what your area of work is. You can do that, or you can add other pages. For example, if I go to pages and click this plus to add new ones, you can add a store, you can add a video segment, or you can add a course segment. Videos, you can put paid videos behind a paywall if you're, for example, an online content creator, and if you offer premium content, people can access it through your site by purchasing it. You can add courses to show people, to teach something to them and put them behind a paywall, and yeah, you can do a lot of different things there. You can also, as I mentioned, run ads, and to run ads you need to actually embed the ads into your site. For that, you need to go to Google AdSense and actually get the HTML code for the ads, and once you do, you just need to go ahead and add another section, and then from here you're going to add a blank section and click add block, and then you're going to click embed and then select this, double click it, go to code snippet, embed data, and paste your ad data here. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.